If there's one thing that I can't stand about my workspace, it's clutter.
I'm a very simple person and I like simple things.
I also like to keep things on my desk that give me motivation and or a reminder of why I am doing what I am doing.
Instead of having big posters or fat calendars all over my wall, I found this unique solution.
A photo frame, which leads me into the sponsor of this video, Cosytron. Cosytron was kind enough to send me their 15.6-inch photo frame.
And the first thing I thought is, how can I use this in my home?
And then it clicked for me. Remember at the start of the video how I like to keep things in my workspace that motivate me? Well, instead of all of this clutter, I use this photo frame. Whether I have motivational quotes, photos of my family, or even my dream goals.
This frame is simple and purposeful.
This frame is 15.6 inches with a full HD touchscreen display, offering high quality images. Whether you want to use it on your desk or shelf, or even hang it up on your wall, this frame offers flexibility to meet your needs.
And what I love about this frame is that it's super easy to use. I mean, who doesn't like simple?
You can utilize this frame in a vertical or horizontal position, or if you want to keep things off your workspace, you can even mount it on the wall.
To get started with using this photo frame, you want to download the app first.
And use the instruction manual to get started.
Once you have everything set up and connected, now it's time to play.
You can batch upload a ton of photos onto this frame or select a few at a time.
And one of the best parts?
Other people can be connected and share photos to your frame from anywhere in the world. Whether your best friend lives thousands of miles away from you,
they can share photos to your frame.
When setting up the frame, you will utilize the touchscreen to get started by clicking into the settings. As you can see, you can customize the frame literally to you. With the date and time included, you don't need an additional clock in your workspace taking up precious room. You also don't need to worry about making sure your photos are perfectly cropped, because you can adjust the photos from the frame.
There's also 32 gigabytes of storage, and that's enough for 80,000 photos.
No, but really, this product is built to last a lifetime. I also love how easy it is to take it from one space to the next.
The Cosytron photo frame has been really great. It helps me stay motivated and reminds me why I do what I do. And it's a great addition to your workspace. I'll have it linked in the description down below, and be sure to use my code to save 10% off your next purchase. And I'll see you in the next video.